How's it going, guys? This is Rick back with another one. Today I actually have a Ford E150 van, and this is going to sort of be like a 2-3 part deal in one, because I'm going to show you how to remove the corner lights, the headlights on an E150 van. I'm also going to show you how to remove the front grille in an E150 van, and I'm also going to show you how to remove the bumper trim, which is the upper bumper trim below the grille, above the bumper, in between the lights. So we're going to do all that in today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of good stuff. I buy and sell cars, and I show everybody the entire process of doing that. So make sure you hit that bell button. Make sure you subscribe, that little annotation right here. Click on that, guys. Anyways, tools you're going to need. Here we go. No, you don't need a kid's scooter. What you guys need is this. You need a drill. If you don't have a drill, you can use a hand manual Phillips head screwdriver. You need a T15. These are going to take out your headlights. You need a number 7. You need a number 8. You need any type of pry bar that you could possibly find. This one's preferable, but you know, anything would work. I'm going to use a light also. Lights are great because they can let us see things. So without further ado, let's tackle this. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to take out the marker lights. And the reason why I'm taking out the marker light is because I have one of them's busted. And front headlights are going to come out. So let's pop this hood. Also, if you guys have issues, a lot of these vans have issues, the E150 vans, they have issues with the AC. AC blows only through the AC vent. If you guys are having that issue, go ahead and scroll over to this video that I'm putting up in the description. I'm sorry, in the video above, there'll be a little box that comes across. Click on that. That'll show you how to fix that AC issue. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tackle the grill first. The grill is quite simple. It's number 7mm screws, 1, 2, 3. You need to take out these headlights first though. So we're going to take out the headlights first. So basically you push the tab back and you pull up. And these lights come right out. So it's very simple, very easy to do. And what I recommend, don't unscrew the bulb, because then the bulb's going to be exposed and you could break it and have to buy new headlights if your lights are already working. So just go ahead and disconnect it like that. It's just a push tab that you pull up and it comes right out. Okay. Same thing with this side. I'll show you guys an example of how you do this. Okay. These tabs, you push back and pull up. Back and up at the same time. Back and up. And they come right out. So there's the headlights. Now let's get to the grill. Alright guys, so you got 3 of these. I can't... I know what you're thinking, Rick, where the hell is your drill? Well, guess what? I decided I wanted to do a video today, and I was unprepared. I didn't find my drill today. This is the second bowl. I had to resort back to, you know, caveman stuff here. Gotta find that drill though. That's one here. This is very simple, guys. I mean, this grill is gonna pop right out now. You got 3 clips on the bottom. See that? So the whole reason why I'm taking this out is because it's busted here. Obviously you can see that. And my tabs, I ordered a new one of these. And guys, I'm gonna put the link in the description below if you need one of these to replace, because they're different. A lot of the guys on eBay and Amazon, they sell these and they're like 70 bucks or like 50 bucks, and they're all painted gray. But if yours came with the chrome and the gray on the E150 grill, then you're going to definitely want to get this grill, because that chrome and gray is a much more desired color combination, and it gives the truck an appealing look as well. The clips are busted off inside, so those are going to have to be taken out. That's how you remove the headlights and the grill. And next video will show you how to remove this valance. So continue to the next video. This will be a part 2.